The key fob allows remote locking, unlocking, and panic button activation via RF signals. It's powered by a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. When the battery weakens, the fob's range decreases, requiring you to be closer to the car for it to function. Common symptoms include inconsistent locking or complete failure to respond. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the fob without scratching it, and a new CR232 battery. Optionally, a small Phillips screwdriver might be needed depending on your fob version. These batteries are widely available and cost around $2 to $5 USD. The first step is opening the key fob. Locate the small notch on the side or bottom of your key fob. This is where you'll insert your tool. Insert the flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the notch. Gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to use excessive force, as this could damage the casing. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. It might be held in place by a small retaining clip. Use the screwdriver or pry tool to gently dislodge the battery from its compartment. Note the orientation of the battery. The positive plus side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up, matching the original orientation. Make sure the battery is securely seated and the retaining clip, if present, is properly positioned. Now for the final step, reassembling the key fob. First, carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Make sure all components are properly positioned. Position the halves so they fit together perfectly. Press the two halves together firmly until you hear or feel them snap into place. Inspect the reassembled fob to ensure there are no gaps and all parts are secure. Finally, test the key fob by pressing the buttons to make sure everything is working correctly. Here are some important tips and considerations for maintaining your Kia Sportage key fob battery. Replace the CR2032 battery every 1 to 2 years for optimal performance. This lithium coin cell provides reliable power for the fob's functions. Cold weather can cause batteries to drain faster. Lithium batteries like CR2032 are sensitive to low temperatures, where discharge rates can increase significantly. Recycle old batteries responsibly. CR2032 batteries contain toxic materials and should be disposed of through proper recycling programs rather than regular trash. If the fob casing is damaged, use plastic tools to prevent further damage. Metal tools can scratch or crack the plastic, requiring expensive replacement. If problems persist after battery replacement, consult a Kia service center. Issues like circuit damage may require professional repair. Consider battery voltage testing greater than 2.8 volts before replacement to confirm the issue. Use a multimeter to measure the battery's charge level.